This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by mona.ghobrial. Welcome home to this adorable and rehabbed single-level condo in the heart of VA Beach, so close to shopping, bases and the interstate. Delight in the open floor plan, updated kitchen with new cabinets, completely remodeled baths, new flooring, doors and fresh paint in neutral colors. This home has plenty of natural light and a private screened-in porch for morning coffee. Huge walk-in closet and plenty of storage. Condo fees include pool, trash and ground maintenance. Owned for less than the price of rent. For more information, review the details below.